A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this new video. An update on Solana and the Sol coin. Wanted to do a quick technical update on that. I tried to cover Solana quite a bit. Most of you know that. So see this as a technical update. We'll talk about the fundamentals briefly as well, and then mostly a little bit of fundamentals for Solana specifically, but mostly for the market. So let's get right into it. Solana was struggling quite a bit, to be honest, with getting support at this $22, 22.5 level. But it does seem like we have finally have been able to get that bullish momentum, and I expect that to continue in the weekend. But first, let's talk about some fundamentals. Market right now still doing great. Bitcoin fairly stable today, but I'd say it's a little bit more bullish than it is bearish. I think most of you agree with that as well. Solana on its own, if we take a look at some of the network statistics, you can see that the total value locked has dropped down a little bit. It's relatively flat over the last, to be honest, since the beginning of January or the middle of it. Daily active addresses has gone down, but apart from that, I mean, it's doing relatively good. All right. I mean, obviously it has been hurt a lot by FTX, but it's stable for now. And I know that Solana has a big ecosystem still. So yeah. If we take a look at Solana right now, technically, knowing that the fundamentals, I think at least, you can disagree with me on that, but we can discuss that in the comments. Knowing that the fundamentals are more bullish than bearish, I think we'll at least continue this bullish momentum we have right now. What you can see is that we already, the 14th of February last week, we already broke out of bearish momentum that we had, broke above the 200 EMA, broke above this trend line. And now you can see that we're holding this very steep ascending trend line. But it's not as it's not a problem if we break that. I don't expect us to keep holding this for forever. So yeah, what I do expect though is that we will get up to this level right here, which has served as the upper bound of this consolidation area between $22 and $25. So I think we'll get near that level. I'd say between $24.5 and $25. Now the big question is then, and I'm going to delete this trend line prematurely. But the big question then is, can we actually break through that as well? And long term, my expectation is yes. If the market stays bullish like this, I think Solana at some point will be strong enough to gain back some of the bullish momentum we had at the beginning of January. And that we'll be able to break through $25 and get up to like the 26.5, 26.7 level. For now, though, I think the first time we'll touch that, we'll just get back into this consolidation between 22.5 and 24 or 25, 24.5, 25, that area. All right, you know what I mean. So yeah, I do think that we'll find resistance right now. But for example, if Bitcoin at some point in the future breaks above 25,000, I expect Solana to go up with it and move up to that level around 26.5. So yeah, but as I said, I mean, this could happen early next week. It could still take a week or a week and a half. So it's waiting for that. I'll keep you updated on Solana, of course, in the meanwhile. But for now, this is my analysis and video on Solana. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.